Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and runs and operates well. The deck's in very nice shape. It was just recently repainted and decaled, but the deck is very good mechanically. The deck spindles are tight. It's got very nice front tires, almost new. It's got a really nice 14 horsepower Kawasaki FB460V engine. Starts up and runs excellent. It's your fuel tank. It's your console with key switch blade engagement, choke and throttle. And this is your manual, your gears and your transmission box. That's all in very nice shape. The machine runs and operates well. Brand new rear tires. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you very much. Guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.